Stuff. Hey Tanya, this roll is for you.
Right up there. Sarah?
Oh! What happened there?
Is that yours?
Back off.
Oh, come on.
What?
And bubble contoured into this soothing sweet syrup with its distinctive golden glow. You all know as... Hey!
120 seconds.
And then all the motorcycles and bicycles just come weaving in and out, and they fill in all the little gaps. It's hilarious.
On the Autobahn?
No, this is in Paris, in the streets in Paris. You have about 4 lanes across, but when the light turned red,